1. Irobot Roomba 692 Mapping. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. Refurbished Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. Certified and ready. Tired of chasing dust bunnies? Meet the refurbished Roomba 692, your smart, certified cleaning sidekick. With adaptive navigation, it intelligently maps your space, smoothly gliding around furniture and underbeds while detecting hidden dirt for targeted cleaning. No more missed spots or aimless bumping. Fully tested and certified, it delivers like new performance at a fraction of the price. Tackling pet hair, crumbs, and everyday mess with ease, the 692 works so you don't have to. Simply set it and forget it. Whether hardwood, tile, or carpet, it adapts effortlessly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy spotless floors, because your home deserves smart, reliable cleaning without the hassle. Let Roomba do the work while you reclaim your time. So, that sums up my 1 Irobot Roomba 692 mapping. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.